Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nabila Rizky Koswari. My major is Syariah Finance Management. I'm from Bogor. I will review 4 waterfall in Bogor because Bogor is a plateau area. No wonder it has natural tourist spot in the form of a cool water. Oh yeah guys, who have not subscribed, don't forget subscribe ya guys. The first, Putri Kencana Waterfall. This waterfall is in the village of Karang Tengah, Babakan Madang, Bogor, West Java. To go to this waterfall, there are 2 routes. The first route can be through Citerep and the second via Sentul. Entry ticket is 15,000 per person and for motorcycle parking is 5,000. Keep the name of the Putri Kencana because it said that every night Friday there was a woman voice around waterfall, and not infrequently there was a figure of woman wearing your royal clothing. The second, Cibulao Waterfall. This waterfall is located in Megamendung Peak, Bogor, West Java. Because of its location close to the peak, this waterfall is very easy to access. Unfortunately, this waterfall is still quiet because of the lack of information from the surrounding community about this waterfall. Entry ticket is 12,000 per person and for motorcycle parking is 10,000. This waterfall has a depth of 5 until 7 meters. For those of you who can swim, there are available buoy rental place. The third, Cikuluwung Waterfall. This waterfall is located in the village of Cibitung Wetan, Pamijahan, Subdistrict, Bogor, West Java. Although not too big, but this waterfall has unique characteristics, which has 3 waterfalls. The first waterfall has a depth of 50 meters. The second and third waterfall have a depth of 2 until 3 meters. So it is safe to swim in the second or third waterfall. Entry ticket is 10,000 and for motorcycle parking 5,000. For Louis Hejo Waterfall. This waterfall is located in Cibadak Village, Sukamakmur, Subdistrict, Bogor, West Java. Entry ticket is 15,000 per person and for motorcycle parking is 5,000. This waterfall hits among young people because this waterfall provides a sensation and challenge for visitors who want to make a lap from the rock, because many large rock and crystal clear water make this waterfall many visited by tourists. So a review of me. Thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.